Hi Vijen.
Hi Vishal, how are you?
Good, good. You tell us, how was you? Are you in Mumbai?
Yes, I'm in Mumbai and thank you so much. Let me first thank you for the wonderful biryani that you sent today. I really enjoyed it.
So I think you ordered Lucknowi also and Hyderabadi also. Which one did you like? Any differences you could see?
Actually, I had the Lucknowi one because
Okay,
I mixed the flavors. Maybe I'll have it in the evening, the
okay,
Hyderabadi.
okay.
Uh, I really enjoyed it. It was well cooked and I loved the packaging that you had done to warm it up also. So it's wonderful. It's lovely. You
So
made
if
my
I,
Sunday.
thank you so much. So if I can say, Vijen, it's not all the handis in biryani by kilo are not only packaging. We dum cook the biryani in the same handis after the customer order comes and we deliver it in the same handi. So that's why it takes around an hour to deliver because biryani, unlike pizza, cannot be made in 5-10 minutes. So we make
Right.
it fresh with ingredients and that's why people love them so much. But I understand you are a Guju, but you're not vegetarian, right?
I'm not a Guju actually. I'm from Ahmedabad, but I'm a Punjabi.
Sorry,
So I
sorry.
my childhood over there, and I grew up over there. I did my schooling and college over there, but I'm a Punjabi, so I am a non-vegetarian.
Non-vegetarian. So normally also you're a biryani kebab fan or what is your favorite cuisine?
I love biryanis and kebabs. I love my kebabs with tandoori rotis. But sometimes I avoid it because I'm an actor, so I cannot have it every second day. So I have it like twice in a month, binge over it.
Baki din is more salad and high protein, less carbs.
Yes, yes, high protein, less carbs. Actually, I eat everything. I'm not on a very strict diet or I don't follow something, but I have little portions of everything. If I feel like having, then I don't mind having a biryani or something, but I have it in the afternoon, a little portion. But there are some days when you binge and you have those cheat days when you just forget about dieting and everything and enjoy your day with the family. So that's when I enjoy these cuisines.
I know you didn't order any of our kebabs. We are very well known for our mutton galotis and chicken 65. But you tried the chicken korma. Were you able to try that?
Well, there's always a next time, so I'll definitely order it and I'll have it because actually we are just two people here and I have a kid, so a lot of stuff will be like too much for us. So I'll try that later on. But yes, I love kebabs. I read that Gulati thing, and Gulati kebabs are my favorites. So next time, definitely.
और बताइए लॉकडाउन में कैसा चल रहा है? Did you watch the IPL match yesterday? Are you a cricket fan?
Very happy because I am a Dhoni fan, and this time I'm supporting. Every time I'm confused that which team I should support because all the players are scattered. But this time I'm sure that I'm supporting Dhoni and his team.
No, I think a lot of people are Dhoni fans, so I think good luck. And today you are supporting between Mumbai and today is Mumbai, right? And Delhi.
Delhi and Punjab, I guess.
Delhi and Punjab.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah.
So I am not supporting any one team between these two because, as I told you, that it's very difficult to choose one team. This
No,
time I'm choosing because of Dhoni. I'm with Chennai, but there are many players. I have not seen what is the team all about, which players are playing in the matches today. So I'll enjoy the match and no favorite, but
favorite.
yes, I the match.
Or how are you passing your lockdown town time? Is Mumbai still quite a bit lockdown? I think what we understand.
Um, Actually, in the night, you're not allowed to go out. I think after 12, there's a lockdown. But people are going out for work. You're allowed to go for, if you have any work and you have the permissions, you can go. Um, and after 3 months of lockdown, I also resumed shoot for 1 month. I went for shooting. I completed my show we had to conclude that. So after that, I'm home, trying not to go out much in crowded places, avoiding those things, and spending a lot of time with family. It's
Yeah.
also a thing in your busy life, you don't get so much time. So lockdown, in a way, has helped me with that.
I think it's good to. I think you all got good quality family time, and maybe some things which you like. Maybe do you like watching things on OTT, Netflix, or books?
I love watching OTT content. I have watched so many series, and every day I watch. I'm not binge watching any series like whole day. I'm not finishing the series, but I watch 2, 3 episodes every day. I like to read. I like to write, so I spend my time on that. I like to work out. I go for my walks and jogs. That is what I'm doing these days. So keeping myself fit and healthy and enjoying the holidays.
Making
Staycation.
best of lockdown. So, what do you read normally? Staycation. What do you like to read? Is it philosophy, like fiction, non-fiction?
I normally like to read biographies of people, successful people, or people who have actually achieved something. So you can learn a lot from them about their discipline, about the way they look at things. That's what I like to read.
Abhi, any recent biographies you've read you like to
The
recommend?
last
Any?
was on Dr. V. Krishnamurti. Actually, he sent me that book himself. It was he has been watching my shows, and he is a Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan
Yes.
winner. He sent me that. I read it, and uh, lovely. People, I really hope that one day I also, achieve something, and I have to share something with people, and people might like to know something about me. So
No,
maybe.
why, you're already on that path, right? And you're so young, so why not? But any particular biography out of all the ones you've read, like which you'll say, oh, this really.
Um, the one which has stayed with me is the Experiments with My Life by Mahatma Gandhi. So there are a lot of things that he has written about himself. A lot of people at that stretcher would have avoided a lot of things while writing a biography, but he has not done that, and he has written a lot of genuine things in that, and what he has experienced in life, what experiments he has done with his life. So it was nice reading, and uh, with every book or with every biography that you read, you tend to pick up some good things. So I have also picked up a few things.
No, of course. And what do you write? Do you write poems or like just your daily life?
No, actually, I write some scripts or stories or some concepts. I keep writing them. I like to write. I have a compilation of some. So I also have a production house. So we, have a lot of ideas. So whatever idea I get in my mind, I just jot it down, and then we have a team here. So we work on that. So I'm spending the lockdown period also in a productive way by
Yeah,
writing,
very
doing
productive.
brainstorming
What what kind
projects.
of what kind of genres are your favorite in writing? Thrillers, comedy, any particular genres?
I started with thrillers. I love writing thrillers. I really enjoy that because I have shot for a thriller also long back when I started my career. I started it with a thriller on Doordarshan. So I have this soft corner for thrillers, and I really enjoy watching them also. So that is one thing I like to write, and uh, I whatever comes in my mind of any concept or any story that I think that it is doable or something can be made out of it. I just jot it down, and then there's a team which we consult each other, and we try to make something good. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it works, and then you pitch it to people.
But how is the story writing process like? Like, is it the broader theme which you put in first, and then you etch out the characters? You take inspiration from somewhere. How does a new plot come out of nowhere?
Of course, when you think about something or whatever comes in your mind, it's a very vague thing. It's just a thought, and then you think about it and you make a broad outline of a story that what should be the start and what should be the end. Then you figure out. And personally, when I'm writing, I think about characters. I like to think once I get an idea or a thought of the concept, I start thinking about the character because I'm an actor. So I start thinking if there's a character in this concept, then how will he behave or how will she behave? And because uh, in any story, characters really bring out the concept of the story out really well. It depends on the character. If the story is good but the characters are not that great, people will not connect with it.
It's a very, I think, very deep and cumbersome process to really etch out those characters in a very real way. And I think any favorite Hollywood, Bollywood movies which have stayed with you, कि हाँ ऐसी बनानी है या or you liked
There are so many actually. There are so many good films. There are so many good
series,
series. Uh,
series.
There's good content all over. There are so many. So picking one is very difficult. But
No, no,
if you
comes to
if
your
you
mind.
whatever's coming in my mind, I'll just share with you. Godfather is one film, and the whole series of that is
But like 1, 2, or 3, or you like Godfather 1 or 2 or
best. But the second one, third one was also good.
any
Uh,
you like anyone? El Pacino, Robert De Niro, any particular character?
Love Al Pacino and Robert De Niro also. He's good. The Scent of a Woman is such a nice movie. If you talk about Al Pacino, then I love Scarface also.
Scarface.
Uh,
No, really good. I think all the movies. Yeah.
these some classic movies from Hollywood, and of course Bollywood also. If you talk about the classics, then Pyara is one of my favorite movie, which was ahead of time. The Guide is one movie which was made in that era, but it was direction wise or writing wise, it was ahead of time. And now there are so many films. The recent films, there are so many low budget films also which are doing so well.
Yes.
So people are doing great job. People and I really feel that I should also get a chance to work with such people who are doing such great job.
नहीं, I think you must be already working, right? You're already doing good job. Any people have been asking, I can see like, sorry.
Work.
No, people have been asking, what are your ongoing projects or anything which you like to share with the audience?
All right, on the acting front, right now I have not taken anything because I am waiting for something good. I have something in my mind that I want to do. I've got some offers, but things have not worked out because I'm looking for something better. So definitely I'll let them know as soon as I take up something. And of course, they will come to know because of the media and everything. And on the production point, I would say that my one show is going to come on air very soon. So I'll inform them about that too. It's on the channel called Dangal. So
Okay.
just made a for them. So just waiting for the telecast date to come and I'll update the news.
And you'll be the producer of that show?
Yes.
Oh wow! So how does it feel to wear the producer hat? Is it quite stressful, hectic compared to actor?
Yeah, if you compare it with an actor, then yeah, it's a little difficult because there are a lot of things on your mind. As an actor, you just have to concentrate on your acting and the storyline, and you have to deliver your best, perform your best in front of the camera. But the producer's thing is really difficult. You have to manage the whole team. You have to take care of the finances. You have to
Sort
take
of.
care of interests of all the technicians who are working with you, deal with the channel, a lot of things. So it is a difficult thing. That's why I have always been a producer friendly actor because I had this process very closely and I understand. I can come in their shoes, and I am a person who doesn't give a lot of trouble to producers.
Uh-huh. You've seen the other side. How painful or difficult can it be?
Yes.
And I think, given today's, but is it more lucrative being a producer?
See, my idea, I would honestly tell you, is that I want to make good content. That is what drives me.
Right.
Why I wanted to become a producer, because I had so many thoughts, I had so many concepts, I knew a lot of people. So I thought that why not make something out of it? And my idea is not just making money out of a project, or my idea of being a producer is to make good content, because I think creatively, not of course money is very important and profits are important, but I'm not a person who thinks about making a lot of profit and not giving a good content.
So the driving force is good content, good.
Good content, creativity, satisfaction, that is what drives.
Are there any topics you're passionate about for whom you want to make this content? Some people like women centric, some like thriller, some particular area of human life, relationships, some things which excite you more.
I Whenever I think about some concept, I always feel that there should be some message, because our film industry or TV industry or any content-driven industry, we have this power to give out a message to people. So I always think that there should be a hidden message with every show or every film. That is what I personally like. Uh, if you're making a thriller, if you're making a crime series, then there should be a message that what should be done, what should not be done. So that is what I think. And if it is a family drama, there are a lot of things you can talk about: family values. You can talk about what's right, what's wrong, how you have to treat other people. So there should be a message in whatever you make. That is what I believe.
No, no, I think that's very well said, because I think you guys are in a position where you can mold society's views in certain direction. If it's positive, why not? And
It is a good combination of entertainment plus giving a message to people, because people really get influenced. So why not influence them in a better way, in a good way, than being a bad influence?
of course, but while being an actor, I think आपका social interaction हुआ होगा. You must have traveled. What do you make out of when you meet a lot of different people? Has it opened your eyes to about human nature more? Have you begun to understand it better?
See, understanding people or knowing people or judging people just by meeting them once or twice. This thing I learned when I was a cabin crew. Before acting, I was a cabin crew. So, and I traveled all around the world to many cities and worked with a lot of people. It was an international airline for which I was working. So, that is the time when I really learned a lot about psychology, how people behave, how to interact with people, how to respect other nationalities, other cultures. So that comes from there. Being an actor, yes, you interact with a lot of people, but it is a different thing. You are an actor, and there are some fans who meet you. So it is different. It's not on a very one-on-one basis.
And I
So
and also I think if I can interject you, I think you said something very important. See, first of all, I think you're very humble, if I can say, and very kind. You said like you were a cabin crew. So I think if I can say, maybe you were in a position situation where people, as a customer, they had more power, right? So you have more learnings, right?
you
And
have more things, plus if we talk about a person's profiling, at one point of time, after like 4 5 months of that job, I could look at a passenger and just understand that which passenger is going to be a troublemaker and which one is going to be a good, nice, kind-hearted person. Just from a good morning, good afternoon wish, you come to know that. So I could read body language. So that really helps me now also in my life, may it be acting or personal life. I can really understand the body language of people, and once I meet them, okay, what's going on.
Anuna, you have told me something very important today. Like I think a lot of if people have, it's a very good message. Someone can do a lot of things. Sometimes you can be a cabin crew and might have just served food or done your job. But what you use that situation is to learn human behavior. It's really, and you develop your instincts, which is the best thing a human being can do in their lives. Once you develop your
It really helped me in acting also, because for acting, a person needs to be a very good observer.
observer.
You have a lot of people, like I whenever I'm traveling, or I'm out, I'm on the road, or I'm shopping, you get so many characters or so many different people. You meet so many people, and you can pick a lot of things, like gestures or the way of talking, how a shopkeeper behaves, how a watchman behaves. So these are very interesting things. As an actor, you observe. So this started when I was a
From
cabin. I used to observe so many people. I used to meet so many people every day. So I think all this started from there.
No, I think it's so important. Like, so first of all, I think the message is that someone can make out so much from any job, right? If they are observant and they put their दिल पर थोड़ी सी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात है, इसलिए मैं आपको थोड़ा सा और पुश करूंगा इस पे. थोड़े सा बताइए जैसे कि what kind broader kind of passengers are there, like you said trouble maker. तो वो क्या आईज से पता लग जाता था या टोन से पता लग जाता है? उसकी आईज से पता है, टोन
तो
से, एग्रेशन.
as I said that greeting से भी पता चल जाता है, uh, when you wish somebody good morning or good afternoon, the way the other person responds, if he's like good morning, then you understand that person is, or yeah, good morning. Then you understand that what that person is carrying in his mind, or maybe he has had a bad day. You should be extra vigilant about this person. He should get his requested meal preference. So these are things that you have to keep in mind.
और जैसे कुछ और कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग भी जैसे कि बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हाट यू सेड कि भाई एंड दैट ऑब्जर्वेशन इज helped you hone your instincts to observe people later on in your life also, and it has
Yeah.
helped. I was reading somewhere, I forget who quoted this, but they said a very famous actor or Hollywood director, I think, I don't remember the name. They said मुझे एक्टिंग स्कूल का नहीं चाहिए एक्टर, मुझे किसी भी फील्ड का दे दो, पर उस फील्ड में उसने डेप्थ में कुछ, चाहे वो बॉक्सर हो, चाहे वो स्वीपर हो, चाहे उस फील्ड में उसने अच्छा काम करा और डेप्थ और पेन दिखाया, और दैट कैन एक्ट रेदर.
If,
हाँ.
if that nobody can teach you acting, or you cannot. Of course, your skills can be polished, but you need to be an actor. Actors are not made; they are born. Uh, so, if a person wants to be an actor, if he goes to a training school, if he doesn't have that talent in him of acting, so nobody can make an actor out of you. You cannot build an actor from a non-actor. That is what I believe. So normally good actors are good observers, and they should have common sense. Common sense is very important to become an actor. That your improvisations and your quick reactions and those things come. When things are given to us, writers write it down, and you have to put something in it. If you just have to say the lines, then anybody can say that, but that is not acting. You have to bring that character alive on screen. That is what I.
But do you think empathy matters? If you have empathy and you can visualize or that character, etch out that character in your own image or in your own imagination, then only you can bring that character to fruit.
Yes, you have to think that way. When you're doing some character, you have to think that way, that it's happening with you. I'm not saying just get into it and get into method acting and feel it and get into depression. I'm not supporting that. I don't say that you should follow that way of acting. I'm just saying that for that moment, from your rehearsals to cut, you should feel if something like that is happening with you, then how will you react? So it is very simple, but
Very
it happens with time. You learn with time. You get comfortable with the equipments, camera, the people around you, and you become fluent with your work. It takes a little time, but then it happens.
But you never went to acting school, right?
No, I never went to any acting
You
school.
got your first series and you just acted and it happened.
Actually, as I said that, actors are born, so maybe I was born with it. And when I was very young, I used to watch movies. I used to do a lot of mimicry in school
करते थे.
of peers and friends, and uh, these are some things which I already used to do. So when I joined college, I was into modeling and dramatics. So that is where I explored that, this is my interest. I like to do this. I feel really happy when I'm doing something like that. So I was very, I knew one thing that I won't be happy doing a desk job. And I've never done any desk job. Uh, I was into aviation and then I'm into acting and production. So it is not a normal 9 to 5 job. I am not a person who can do something like that. Of course, now I cannot even think about it. But from the beginning, I always had this thing that I don't want to sit in a cubicle and do something of that sort.
I think you are a very creative person and you have great instincts. So I think corporate would be will it's not, and you are doing great at what you are doing, and you will do much greater, much great. So I think. So, or any other hobbies or interests you have which people don't know?
I like painting. Sometimes I do paint.
आपकी एक पीछे पेंटिंग है, आपकी है क्या?
It's not made by me. This is somebody else. This is actually my sister-in-law who gifted me. But I love paintings. I used to paint a lot, but past 7, 8 years, I didn't get the time. Luckily, I would say with the grace of God, I was busy. And during this lockdown, I did some paintings. I did some sketching. I sit with my daughter also. I have a young daughter, 4-year-old, so likes to paint and all that. So that is one hobby. I like to cook also.
You like what do you cook?
I usually make some things which are very experimental. I can cook a nice meal. I can
More
cook good.
Indian, more Indian, more quanti, or more baking?
Not more baking, but yes, I make a lot of Indian food. And a lot of things with eggs. I experiment a lot with eggs. During my bachelor days, when I used to stay alone, so I used to uh, experiment a lot with a sabji made by the maid. A maid used to just make sabjis and go, and I used to come back and see that it was not looking. So you eat from your eyes
Yes.
first. So then I tried to make those dishes more appealing, or to more edible or better by adding some eggs or something and doing some experiments. So I still I do that sometimes. Whenever I have the time, I go in the kitchen, enjoy myself. I have my music on, and with a small wine, uh, I just go and cook.
You sound a very creative and a very chilled out person. I
Yeah.
think you paint, you cook, you write, you act. What more can someone ask? Uh, and you look like like I think an easy person, right? I think.
Yeah, I believe that you should live your life and you should enjoy every moment. That is what I feel. It's not that I'm always a very happy-go-lucky person. Nobody is. Always you have your moods and you have your days.
But
Uh,
you're not edgy.
no,
You're not very edgy generally.
no, I'm not very edgy.
Naini, I think it's a pleasure talking to you. You want to take any questions or a lot of comments people are writing? Anything you want to respond? I see a lot of people from I think Pakistan or Dubai also sending to you. I think in Urdu.
Yeah, there are a lot of people who watch our shows in Pakistan, and I would like to thank everybody that also, I always say this, that we actors are made, and we are popular because of the fans. The fan following actually makes us. So thank you so much to everyone, whoever watches my shows. And soon I'll be back on television or OTT, whichever platform. Let's see. I don't know yet, but soon I'll be there to entertain you guys and see you guys. See you at the shows or films, wherever we meet again.
So just thank you so much. One message, some people are very particular about or a little paranoid about food safety right now. So I like to say Biryani by Kilo has 40 outlets in 20 cities, and we are very professional. And there's a safety standards tab on Biryani by Kilo website where every possible safety precautions we are taking, and it's very safe. So while IPL is there, the customers can really enjoy it. Biryani
Right.
by
I like to add one thing that whenever I have some get-togethers at my place, maybe any occasion. So I normally prefer keeping veg and non-veg biryani because a lot of people have starters and then they're too full to have a proper roti and a proper dinner. So biryanis are the best for the house party. So I always have that on my menu list whenever. So next time, whenever I'm doing a house party or something after this COVID thing gets over, definitely I'll again order. And in between also, I'll enjoy my IPLs with it. And I highly recommend, guys, Biryani by Kilo is lovely and the safety standards are great. So please go ahead, order and enjoy the food.
and we wish you all the best. You are a very nice and a very kind person. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much. And very talented, of course. Thank you so much. Have a great
Thanks a lot. Take care.